Hurricane Lee is a storm system that has been gaining strength as it travels across the Atlantic Ocean. Its current projected path is projected to have it make landfall along the east coast of the United States. Its current projected path shows it will likely move slowly up the east coast. This could cause the storm to cause catastrophic damage, as it moves closer to the densely populated areas of the east coast. Hurricane Lee has been reported to be a Category 4 hurricane, meaning it will likely cause major damage. The current projected path has the hurricane passing North Carolina, Virginia, and possibly Maryland. It is not expected to reach the high levels of devastation that a Category 5 hurricane can cause. There are reports of the hurricane moving slowly, which can cause prolonged rainfall and wind gusts. This can cause flooding, down power lines, and property damage due to high winds. Hurricane Lee is unlikely to cause extensive flooding due to its slow-moving speed. The storm, however, is expected to cause significant wind damage and property destruction. It is important for people living in the affected areas to prepare as best they can for the storm. The current projected path has the storm making landfall sometime near the end of the week. Bad weather is expected to start occurring in the affected areas in the days leading up to the landfall. The storm is also projected to move slowly, causing prolonged periods of heavy rain and wind. This prolonged period of weather could result in further flooding, damage, and losses of life. It is important for people to be prepared with an evacuation plan and other safety measures. The current projected path has the hurricane moving up the coast, possibly reaching New York and New Jersey. This could lead to widespread destruction and damage in these states as well. The National Weather Service is monitoring the storm closely and issuing regular updates. There are also reports of the storm turning back into the Atlantic Ocean towards Bermuda. This could have negative consequences for areas in Bermuda that are affected by the storm. It is important for people in these areas to be aware of the storm and take proper precautions. The path of the storm could still change depending on how the winds and atmospheric conditions change. It is important for people to stay up to date with the situation and be ready for the storm.